Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have a really huge Nykaa haul and also a few PR packages which I've received. So I thought it's a perfect time to share all the new things which I've got in my makeup collection. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. It'll mean absolute world to me. So these are the things which I've ordered from Nykaa over the past 1 month, and I've just removed the boxes and just placed everything in this huge basket. So yeah, I'll just randomly pick products from here and talk about it. As you guys must be knowing, I'm getting married at end of this month, so this is part of my Trujo. Like most of this shopping is my Trujo shopping. So I've just got like a lot of random things and new makeup products which I wanted to try. So yeah, just a disclaimer, this is my Trujo shopping and a lot of these things are from PR as well, like the brands have sent me. So yeah, let's get started. First thing which I got is this Real Techniques eyeshadow brush. It's a set of 3 brushes. This base eyeshadow brush, crease brush, and a brow definer and like the shaper thing. So this one I got. I will leave all the links of these products in the description box below, so do check it out. So I just wanted a travel set for my eyes, so I just have these 3 eye brushes and I'll be done. So I picked this up. I've heard a lot of good things about Real Technique brushes. I have tried their face brushes, so I was like, okay, let me try their eye brushes. So I've got these. The other thing which I got is from Too Faced. This is their Too Faced melted matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Sellout. That's how it looks. I love the packaging. It's like really cute, and I will just swatch it here. So that's how it looks. It's a beautiful peachy nude, and yeah, it's a matte formula, so I think it will be really good for wearing under mask. So yeah, I've picked this one up. I also got this Killer Kajal. I think this was some value set, and I got this lipstick and this kajal. This is their Killer Kajal 12-hour smudge resistant, and it's in the shade Intense Black. I love Too Faced packaging. It's super cute. So like, it's a beautiful baby pink kajal, and that's how it looks. It's pretty creamy and black, so I think I will get good use out of this one, like a basic black kajal. So that's that. With that, I got few freebies. This is their Too Faced Too Faced Hangover Primer. I've heard good things about this primer, so yeah, I'm excited to try this. With that, I have this eye primer. This is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Yeah, that's how it is. It's an eyeshadow primer. I generally don't reach out for eyeshadow primers for some reason, but this looks interesting, so I might give it a try. So these were the 2 freebies along with that. Then I got this Flower Beauty blush. This is their Flower Pots. So this is the Flower Beauty blush, and this is the shade Sweet Pea. That's how it looks. It's a beautiful powder pink color, and that's how it swatches. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a very baby pinkish color. I really don't know about the shade because I think online it looked good, but this was not what I had in my mind when I had ordered it. Nevertheless, it's a good blush. It's pretty creamy, not that powdery, and yeah, I think I'll make do with the color. It is a beautiful color, but it is not what I had in my mind. I wanted a nudish blush, but this is more on the pink side. So yeah, I got this blush. Along with that, I have got this K Beauty foundation. This is their hydrating foundation enriched with avocado and mango butter. I've heard a lot of good reviews about this one, so I have to get this. I had got this shade Mashed in the store, so I just ordered it online during the Diwali sale when they had some good offer. I'm in the shade 135N medium. I haven't used this yet. Like, I haven't used any of these products yet. Most of these products I will use after my wedding. This is my Troujo. So in case if you want to see reviews of any of these, do follow me on Instagram. I keep posting about products which I like, or even products which are disappointing. I do share you know, tiny reviews over there. So follow me at Girl in the Pink Scarf. This is the foundation. Very sleek packaging. I love K Beauty packaging. Very sleek and minimal. And this is the shade which I've got. With that, I've got their powder as well. I actually had a powder from K Beauty, but unfortunately it broke. Like, it was my mistake. It just fell out of my makeup pouch and it got shattered, which was very heartbreaking. But the shade which I had got earlier was a little dark. Like, it was way darker for me, and this one I got in the shade lighter. This is 130N medium, and again the packaging is really stunning. Very minimal, cute, and yeah, pretty. So coming to random stuff, what I have now, this is the Color Bar nail remover vibes on the go. So this I just got for travel. Like, if I want to change my nail paint on the go, it comes handy. Next up, I got a shampoo and conditioner, like a travel size bottle. This is from Matrix Biolage. This is their smooth proof shampoo for frizzy hair and the matching conditioner. Just I wanted a decent size for travel. Like, if I go for a longer holiday, I have a decent shampoo and conditioner to carry along. So I got this. I've tried this and this is like really good. I like the scent of it. You feel like you've just washed your hair from salon. So I like this range. Then I also got like a mini size of the shampoo and conditioner. I always wanted to try this shampoo conditioner from Aveda. This is their cherry almond range. The full size is pretty expensive, so I just wanted to see if this works for me. Then I can invest in the bigger bottle, and yeah, I can just use this for like a weekend travel thing. So I picked this up. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good reviews about this one, so pretty excited to try this out. With that, I got few shampoo conditioner free from Aveda. This is their botanical repair range, so I've got 2 of these free. So yeah, it will come in handy for my trips. After that, I got this Jeju Volcanic Deep Pore Cleansing Foam Scrub from Face Shop. There was some offer going on, so I just picked up. Like, I wanted a scrub. So basically, I don't use this on my face. I just use this like a mild scrub to scrub my body. So yeah, this one I got, and I picked this one up. I do have one lipstick. This is from Faces. This is the Faces Canada All-Time Pro HD lipstick. Let me open this. Yeah, that's the lipstick, and this is in the shade Tea Rose. So actually, one of my friend recommended me this shade. It's a beautiful pink shade, this one. And it is pretty long lasting and very pigmented as well. I had tried at my friend's place long time back, so I just added to my cart that time, and now I have got this one. So this is the lipstick. After that, I picked up a Nivea body lotion. This is like a basic lotion which I got for travel. So I do have jumbo sizes of body lotion, but it is not travel friendly, so I just wanted one handy. So this is it. I also have the new Nykaa body lotion. This is from the Love Struck range. So I received all 6 variants of the Nykaa Love Struck body lotion in PR long time back. So it's just like all over the place. I've just kept this one here to put it in my Trujo bag. So this is the body lotion. I love their scent. It's very mild, very classy, like the other body lotions which I have opened and tried it. So it is a very good body lotion, just that I don't like such packaging for travel. Like sometimes if it doesn't close properly, it leaks everywhere. So that's why I got the Nivea one for travel, and this I can use it at home. Then I have a new launch from Garnier. This is their micellar water with vitamin C, and this I got in PR just a couple of days back. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to trying this new micellar water. So I've used the pink variant from Garnier quite a lot, and I really like it, so I'm really excited to trying this one. Then I just got a basic Nivea roll-on deo. So this is their Deo Milk Beauty Elixir with vitamins and minerals, a basic deo. Next I have is a face wash from Plum. This is the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. I've used this long time back. I've loved it, so I just repurchased it to have it with me. A really good face wash for acne prone skin. Right now when I put a lot of makeup with the festivities and functions and wedding preps, I need a deep cleansing face wash which will take care of my acne and oily skin. So yeah, I got this one. Other two things I have are these PR things. These I received in PR from Ollie Lifestyle. This is their OMG Pure Gold Skin Transforming Serum and their Ceramic Skin Overnight Mask. So this one, so both of these I've tried a couple of times and I actually love it. I really love the overnight mask. I had applied it and I woke up with the softer skin next day. So this is really good. I have shared a mini review on my Instagram, so do check it out. It's a good brand to check out. So yeah, and they have really cute packaging as well. Next, I just got this parcel from Nykaa Luxe. I had ordered few makeup items. This is basically from MAC. So first thing I ordered is this mini foundation. This is the MAC NC35 Studio Fix foundation. Again, I've got my shade tested at the counter and then I've purchased it online. This is a mini one. So this is the mini version, and I just got this for festivities, and when I have to attend other people's wedding, I need a full coverage foundation. So for that I've got this one. And I've got the mini Fix Plus. I am new to the MAC Fix Plus game, so I was like, I will try the mini size, see what the hype is about, and then invest in the full size one. So this is their mini Fix Plus. I've ordered all minis from MAC because firstly it is expensive and you never finish the whole product, so I was like, let me just use the mini and see what the hype is about. This is the mini MAC strobe cream, and this is in the shade Pink Light. Again, I just wanted this to give that healthy glowy base. So yeah, that is that. And the best thing is that there was some offer running at the Nykaa sale, and I bought these 3 products and I got a full highlighter free. This is the MAC this is the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish highlighter. So this is really beautiful. So yeah, getting a full size product free, and that too MAC, it was really worth it, so I just ordered it. So yeah, so I really like the highlighter. It looks good on Indian outfits, and with Indian wear I think this will look very beautiful. So yeah, I got this free, so I was very excited for that. And the other thing which I ordered is this Clinique Take the Day Off cleanser. I got the mini size again because I was not sure how if I'll be able to use the whole thing up, and it was expensive, so I just like, I'll try the smaller size and see if I like it. So yeah, this is the cleansing balm. I've not used it, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to using this one as well. That is that. Then I got a self-care kit from L'Occitane. I just wanted something for the wedding, so I just got myself this kit. Yeah, I love the packaging. It's a beautiful bright yellow color, and they've just packed it very nicely. I hate tearing packages. Oh. So I got like a pouch free with this, or like this part of the kit. So this is their pouch, and I got 3 mini products in here. This is their L'Occitane body shower oil. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not even going to try. This is, yeah, their mini shower oil. Then we have their famous hand cream. This is Creme Main's hand cream. I don't know what it is called, but yeah, it is very hyped and very famous hand cream from L'Occitane. And this is their lip butter. So all these 3 products are one of which I could use on a regular basis or while on the go. So I picked this up. With that, I got this box free. It's like a mini box of goodies. So basically this has trial size products. So I got another shower oil free, and a few packages like trial sachets. This is their Immortal Reset serum. This is also very famous. And yeah, their Divine Youth oil sample. So yeah, I've got a couple of those. I even got this soap, I think, just to get the offer, and I had like some 450 rupees left to avail the offer, so I just picked up this bath, like a perfume soap bar, just randomly. But it smells really pretty. It smells of cherry blossom, which is really cute. I really like the smell. And again, I just got one shampoo sachet free, like just randomly lying around. So this I got free. I think, yeah, that's all from my Nykaa haul. Then I'm so sorry, I'm just all over the place because I have a lot of packages around me and my room is a mess and I can't find stuff. Yeah, so that was the Nykaa haul, and then I just placed an order from YBP Cosmetics. I love their skincare products, and I wanted that, and I wanted a few more for my wedding trousseau, so I just bought few YBP products. The first one is this hydrating serum mist with marshmallow, calendula and hibiscus. It's a very calming mist. I've tried it a couple of times and I really like how it just calms my skin and preps it for you know, just other skincare. It's really good. Yeah, so I just got this one. Then I got their exfoliating cleanser. I love YBP packaging. It's really good. It's made with handmade paper and very you know, environmental friendly brand. Like the packaging and everything is very minimal and not too wasteful, which is really good. This is the exfoliating cleanser. I got this. Looking forward to trying this. I've not tried it, but I think I have a lot of products to try, so I don't know when I will get to use it. And the next thing which I got is their pure argan oil. This especially I just got for winters. Like, so with the winters coming, I just wanted an all-purpose body oil. I can use it on my face, my nails, elbows, wherever. Like, so a good oil. This is that. And since they had their Diwali offer gifting going on, I got their pure cacao butter free. Oh my god, this smells so good, so yummy, and yeah, I can just eat it up. It's so good. So like this will be like a good thing for winters for your dry lips and so yeah, I'm excited to trying this. And I got 2 other samples along with it. This is their sun salve. This is their plant remedy calendula healing salve. So yeah, these 2 products I got free. Okay, still there are things which I have to talk about. So that was my Nykaa and YBB haul. Then I've got few stuff in PR as well. This one I really wanted to talk about. This is makeup removing towel from Simply Naam. So Namrata Soni, a well-known makeup artist, has come up with her own makeup line, and this is one of the products. It's a makeup removing towel. This is really great. You apply makeup so frequently, and when you have to remove it, you use a lot of cotton pads, which is very wasteful. When you see the amount of waste you create just for removing makeup is scary. So having a reusable towel is a really good idea. So I've used this on an Instagram reel, and I was blown away with how effective this towel is. You just have to run this under warm water and just remove your makeup. It comes out without any hassle. You don't need any makeup removing products as well. Just warm water and this, you're good to go. So this is something which is very interesting and new to my beauty routine. So yeah, you can try this. It's really good. Then I have few PR packages. This one is from Face Shop. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen this, but I just thought of sharing this here. This is their Secret to Glow box. This they are done for Diwali, and you get a mini face wash here. They are foaming cleanser, rice water bright cleanser. I really like it, and for travel this is really good. Like, this will last you very long time. And then we have the rice ceramide trial kit. This is skincare kit. It has a toner, a moisturizing cream, and a moisturizing emulsion. So again, a very travel friendly kit. So these are the 2 products in here. Another thing from Face Shop, I got this kit. This is their PS I Love Skincare kit. Honestly, I was really excited about the pouch because I love the color and it's super cute. So for the pouch, it is definitely worth getting this kit. And even the products in here are really very good. Like, you will use it, not like just you're getting it for the sake of getting it. This is their Rice Water Bright face mask. I love face mask, and when you have like a function next day and you just want to pamper yourself, sheet mask, they do come in handy. We have the White Seed Brightening Discovery Kit. Again, this has the brightening toner, brightening lotion, and brightening serum. So a good way to try the range. We have the same Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser in here. Water Fit Tint. I love their tints. Like, they are really easy to carry, and it just gives you a beautiful color on your face and on your lips. So yeah, this is good. And they have a mascara in here. I've not tried Face Shop mascaras, but I have heard that they are like really good. So this is there from Face Shop. Then coming to Bioderma, they sent this Diwali gift. So this is the Bonjour Diwali hamper. So basically they just sent in a scented candle, which is really cute, some chocolates, and they are like micellar water, which I absolutely love. I love the pink one. This was the first time I am trying the green one, but this is for like oily skin, so I'm really excited. And we have this gel face wash. This is yeah, purifying cleansing foaming gel. Like, yeah, you can never have enough skincare. So thank you Bioderma for this. Nykaa sent their new nail paints, so there are 15 of it. So yeah, these are just nail paints from Nykaa. There are 12 here and few more here. So this is their new nail paints which they are launching. This is their Insta Dry range. And yeah, they have pretty good colors in here. I will be posting this on my Instagram, so you do check that out. And if you want to see all the colors here, like a detailed YouTube video, do let me know in the comments. I will swatch all these shades for you and share my review on it. I think that's pretty much it for my haul. I don't know if I'm forgetting anything. My room and my beauty space is a mess, and I'm just trying to wind things up before it I have to move. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for staying in. I know this was like a really long video, but yeah, I had a lot of things to share. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.